Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send a group text message on iPad 9th Gen. To send a group text message, go to Messages app, then click on Create Message, and you can click on plus and select contacts that you want to create a group text message with. Then when you select them, they will be added here, as you can see, and now you can text them to send the group text message. And if both of these contacts are in blue, that will create a group iMessage, the iMessage group, so it will work better. Or if you have enabled RCS instead of SMS, it will also work great. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.